These are Imran Khan's people, the Pathan people, from the northwest frontier. Here in the Khyber Pass, these days the tribesmen use their firearms the way we use fireworks. But back in the days of the Raj, the fiercely independent Pathans gave the British a hiding on the battlefield. Their native son has followed tradition on the cricket field.
What was this that you were showing me here?
Excuse me,
Hashish, yes.
Imran Khan has the freedom of this city, even here in a Peshawar bazaar where they trade in contraband.
Smoke it. It's good quality? It's supposed to be pure. Well, I haven't tried it.
Wander with him for a while and you strike something even more incongruous. At this shooter's supermarket, they've been buying raffle tickets to support Imran's favourite charity.
You see, these were the tickets sold for our school's campaign where we collected something like $1 million by selling those tickets.
Oh, so he bought a ticket?
Yeah, he must have bought a 20-rupee ticket.
So they asked him, did he buy it because it had you on it?
He bought it. No, because he knew it was for the hospital. These tickets were sold to collect money for the hospital.